Hi guys! In today's video I'm going to be doing a clay cracking and clay popping tutorial. So first up I used Model Magic air dry clay and I added the tiniest bit of lotion. It's important to not make it too moisturised, otherwise the cracks aren't as good. And then to colour I added some coloured clay just because I find that this gives a richer colour than adding food dye or paint. And then I just rolled them into a ball, and because they're air dry they do dry out, so I recommend not drying them out by putting them in cling film and then wrapping them in an airtight container again. The next part's what makes it super crunchy, but I don't recommend trying this unless you're over 18, and if you do try it I recommend to do it with one of those fumigation masks on, and also to do it outside in an air ventilated space basically. I did it outside and it still had a huge effect on me, and basically the way I glazed it was acting like it was a cake pop, so I stuck a little stick through it, then dipped it in, and then I just let it dry, and after 2 days of letting it dry this is what I got. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I really hope that you enjoyed it, and if you did, don't forget to subscribe.